Hi friends, I'm back with another interesting topic that is rank. Let me tell you what is rank. It is defined as number of non-zero rows present in a matrix. It is defined as the number of non-zero rows present in a matrix and denoted with row symbol. And now today we are going to discuss a very interesting and easiest form or method to find the rank, that is echelon form. It is a very easiest method friends. You can easily solve it. Okay, let me tell you the procedure regarding echelon form. First, first and foremost important thing in this echelon form is you have to convert the matrix into the upper diagonal elements, upper diagonal matrix. Nothing but the elements below the principal diagonal below the principal diagonal should become as 0. And for this procedure, we apply only row operations and that too using the diagonal elements as base. Okay, let me explain you by taking an example let us consider 3 by 3 matrix. That is, whenever the matrix is given, you need to plot the diagonal elements. What are the diagonal elements present in this matrix? It is 1, 5, 1. What we need to do? We have to make 4, 3, 2 as zeros. For that, let us use the diagonal elements 1 and 5. First, I will be converting 4 and 3 to zeros. For that purpose, I will be using the row operation as R2 implies R2 minus 4R1 and R3 goes to R3 minus 3R1 such that 4 and 3 becomes 0. For making 4 and 3 0, we use the diagonal element 1. It becomes in this form. We are successful in converting them as zeros. To get the upper diagonal form, we are only left with these elements, that is minus 4. We have to convert minus 4 to 0, and for this purpose I will be using the base diagonal element as minus 3. Using the minus 3, I will make the third row presented element minus 4 to be 0. And the row operation I used here is R3 goes to 3R3 minus 4R2 such that it becomes into the manner of upper triangular form. Okay friends, now tell me what are the how many non-zero rows are present? Non-zero rows is nothing but at least one of the element must be a non-zero such that we call the row as to be as non-zero row. In this 1, 2 and 3 we are having 3 non-zero rows and the rank is 3. Okay, let me discuss it with another example. Here we took the 4 by 4 matrix. And the first step you need to do, you have to just plot the diagonal elements. After plotting the diagonal elements, you have to check what you have to make the zeros. Here I need to make 2, 3, 6 as zeros using the base element of column 1, that is element 1. Using the 1, I will make these 3 as zeros, that is R2 goes to R2 minus 2R1, R3 goes to R3 minus 3R1, R4 goes to R4 minus 6R1. The matrix becomes in this manner. Friends, in this matrix, when we are in the when we are in the what when we are in the following, we got another element also to be 0. Yeah. Next, we have to make the -4 to be 0 using the element of -4. Using these -4, we have to make these R4 presented -4 to be 0. For that purpose, I will be using the operation as R4 implies R4 minus R2. Then the matrix becomes as follows. Next, if I make these -3 element to be 0, then I will be succeeded in getting the upper triangular form. For making -3 to be 0, I will be using the diagonal element of -3. This is the procedure, friends. And for this, I will be using the operation as R4 goes to R4 minus R3. Look here, I got zeros. If I make these -3 element to be 0, I will be getting the upper triangular form. But when I am in the procedure, I got the beside element also to be 0. Now, just count the number of non-zero rows. Here, the number of non-zero rows I am having is first row, second row, and third row. So the rank is 3. Let us consider another example, that is 3 by 4 matrix. We are having 3 by 4 matrix. Whatever the matrix given to you, first step you need to do is you have to plot the diagonal elements. Here the diagonal elements I am having are 2, 2 and 12. The first thing I need to do is I have to make 5 and -4 to be zeros using the diagonal element 2. For this, the operation I am going to use is R2 goes to 2R2 minus 5R1 and R3 goes to R3 plus 2R1. Yes, I am succeeded in getting one of the step of upper triangular form. Now I need to make these element also to be 0 in order to get the upper triangular form. For that, I will be using the same column element presented diagonal element. That is, I am taking the -11 as base and I will be converting into upper triangular form. The operation I am using is R3 goes to R3 plus R2. Yes, in this procedure, I got the remaining two elements which are presented beside 11 in the third row also to be 0. Fine. Now at last, the rank is given by number of non-zero rows. Here I am having only 2 non-zero rows. So the rank is 2. Thank you, friends. I hope my video helped you in finding the rank.